Hello and welcome to an introduction to basic concepts of maintenance and reliability with focus on one of its main sub-disciplines, that is, work management. Reliability has become a buzzword in industry today. Reliability engineering is the latest evolution in the understanding of industrial maintenance. Maintenance and reliability has evolved into a discipline having expert practitioners and organizations who certify these experts. The three famous certifications in this regard include the Certified Maintenance and Reliability Professional from Society of Maintenance and Reliability Professionals, the Certified Reliability Engineer from American Society for Quality, and the Certified Reliability Leader from Association of Asset Management Professionals. These certifications test professionals in their proficiency in the field of maintenance and reliability. Each of these certifications approaches the subject of reliability from a slightly different perspective. As a result, the way the body of knowledge is structured by their certifying organizations becomes slightly different. For the sake of order and consistency, this course has been developed following the body of knowledge of the CMRP certification. However, that does not mean that the teachings of this course will not benefit in other certifications. It is because the central focus of all these certifications remains the same, that is, the understanding of maintenance and reliability, which is the central focus of this course as well. However, maintenance and reliability is a vast subject. In order to make it understandable, it is studied after dividing it into subsections by any body of knowledge that aims to address the subject. As mentioned earlier, for the sake of order and consistency, we are following the body of knowledge developed by Society of Maintenance and Reliability Professionals for the Certified Maintenance and Reliability Professional certification. In this body of knowledge, the subject of maintenance and reliability has been divided into 5 main pillars. These include business and management, manufacturing process reliability, equipment reliability, leadership and organization, and work management. Each of these pillars is a knowledge area in itself. It is worthy of being treated as a subject on its own. The subject of this course is the 5th pillar, that is, work management. This course is an introduction to the basic concepts of maintenance and reliability within the knowledge area of work management, that is, how overall management of maintenance work takes place in a plant or a facility. This course is developed for professionals aiming to pursue the CMRP certification or other reliability certifications such as CRE and CRL. However, the utility of this course is not limited to certifications only. This course is ideal for anyone interested in learning how maintenance work is supposed to be managed in industry, such as maintenance managers or people aspiring to become maintenance managers, maintenance planners, schedulers, and supervisors, and engineers and technicians and other similar roles in the industry. In short, this course will benefit any person who is looking to develop basic understanding of maintenance work management. If you're thinking, what do you need to know before starting this course? It would help if you have some experience of equipment maintenance in any industry. However, I have explained everything from scratch in this course and have built the concepts from ground up in a very intuitive manner. By the end of this course, you will understand how maintenance work is identified, categorized, prioritized, and approved. You will understand what is maintenance planning and what are its important concepts, principles, best practices, and metrics. Similarly, you will understand maintenance scheduling and its concepts, principles, best practices, and metrics. You will understand how maintenance work is safely and efficiently executed after the planning and scheduling stages. Finally, you will also learn how resources and materials are effectively managed. You will also get more than 100 multiple choice practice questions distributed throughout the course that will sharpen your understanding of the maintenance and reliability concepts, while at the same time prepare you for the certification tests like the CMRP. One last thing I would like to clarify is what not to expect from this course. This course will not delve into the other 4 pillars of maintenance and reliability. That is because each pillar is a large and dedicated knowledge area which deserves a course of its own. The scope of this course is to explain the basic concepts of maintenance work management. Secondly, this course will not go into the depth of individual methodologies, tools, and techniques used in maintenance work management. We will stick to introduction and basic concepts. You will not become a reliability engineer after finishing this course. It is because it compromises the purpose of this course, which is imparting knowledge of the basic concepts and an overall understanding of work management. This course is developed as an introductory course that aims to prepare you for certifications and for getting introduced to this field. I look forward to meeting you in the course.